think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind?
What it do, crew? I am back today with another video. It's been months, but we're here. We're here. Today I actually have a tutorial, kind of. It's more of an experiment. I'm gonna be putting on a wig. This is the wig. It's a 14-inch. Anyway, I'm actually here with a tutorial. As you can tell, straight out the package. I ain't did nothing to it yet. She ain't dry, but she ain't moist. You know what I'm saying? Okay. This is the wig. This is the wig. The brand of hair is Malaika. Let's say 13x4 bob wig, curly 14-inch, 150% density. Wig caps and a pair of lashes. One thing is, it's not plucked. So it's not plucked and the lace is dark. It's not, and it's like a pale orange. It's not really brown, not really transparent, you know what I'm saying? That's a bleach the knots right now, and I'll come back to y'all when it's, well, yeah, while it's bleaching, I'm gonna be doing she bleaching. Yeah. So yeah. Now we're gonna do the wig cap, right? So I'll be seeing on the TikTok, and I'm looking in the mirror right now, but I don't even know if I, yeah. You're gonna cut the eye hole. Ugh. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some gel on it. Yeah. I figured it out. So I did this is the second layer. I'm gonna go back, dry it. I cut my ear hole, my eye holes, and now I'm gonna go in, dry it for the second time. I ended up doing 3 layers of the gel. Now I'm just gonna cut the excess cap off, wash the wig, pluck it. We're gonna get into it. Hold on. Let me just take this. Bow. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna lay that back down so it can be smooth. Blow dry it one more time. I'm just giving y'all the step by step, you know? But I broke a nail while I was doing this too. It's really some hard work. I don't see how people be doing this every day. Let me tell y'all why I haven't been posting and uploading. Basically, if you've seen my introduction video, you know that I'm a singer in high school, right? So I've been applying to schools, make sure my grades are good, applying to scholarships, all of that. But now it's winter break, and I finally, like, I'm done. I already gotten college acceptances. I've been doing what I need to do. Yeah. So now that I can finally breathe, why not make a video? Why not get cute, you know? So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So I've run into a problem. The bleach ran through. So now we're gonna see how I can finesse this. I'm making a mess, but I'm feeling like Rick James. I'm scared because I ain't never did this before. I'm gonna do what the people on TikTok said do. They say cut here. I want to cut too far back. And here. Okay, okay. I'm gonna flip it. And I'm using bold O's. So once it's on there, it's on there. I'm scared. I'm just, you know, cause I feel like, let me tell y'all, child. For one, the lace is ugly. Like, it's dark, not my skin tone. Tried to put foundation on it to try to make it look better. Didn't really work. Yeah, not really feeling it. I mean, obviously I'm gonna keep the wig because I bought it, right? Just trying to lay it closer to my scalp, you know? It's giving though, like, and this is just like, I haven't parted it. It's just wet right now. I like it. Yeah, but yeah, I just struggle so hard. Like, the glue is super sticky. So you can see it all on my nails. I glued it too close to my eyebrows. So my forehead was too small, so I had to move it back. But I had already cut the lace, everything was already laid down. So I had to pretty much like pull it up. It was stuck to my sideburns. Child, this Goes Bond glue ain't nothing to play with. But I think I figured it out. And I'm looking in the mirror and I'm hoping that with this lazy, like for real. And that the curls are giving. I don't know where my spray bottle is, and this one is broken. I don't even know how I did that. I was gonna spray it just to see. Actually, so I just pour it like in my hand and then run my fingers through it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This is a mixture of this Maui Moisture Hair Care Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave Conditioner. And then this Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. Yep. Mind y'all, this is my first time ever laying a wig for real. Like, I had a little synthetic wig, but I would just like slap it on and leave the house. Cause who's gonna see me? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be honest. Didn't know what I was doing when I started. Watched a couple of tutorials. I thought I had it, but no, I didn't. I tried. It's not terrible, but you know how you can tell, like when you look at somebody, you be like, oh yeah, that's a wig. It's one of those. Like you can tell. Like with the headband like laying my edge down, not that bad. Like, and I'll probably be wearing it like this, like with the headband. It looks a little more natural, just a little bit. I'm gonna end up, because I didn't pluck it, I'm gonna end up plucking it once I find my tweezers. Either wear it with a headband or a hat. Cause like I look like Easy. I look like Easy, but it's okay. Cause I tried, and that's all that matters. And like I said, this isn't a tutorial. This is a experiment. It's an experiment. Hope y'all wasn't expecting anything other than entertainment from this, because only thing you got from it was me looking funny. I mean, it's a cute wig. I wouldn't recommend it because of the lace, maybe the hair in general, but yeah, it is what it is. We all good. You see the part? It doesn't even match my skin tone. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Peaches and mango